another wig review. So if you're interested to see what I am currently wearing, then make sure you keep on watching. Alright guys, so because I was so blown away by the first Hera Remy wig, I decided to bring you guys another one. This one was brought to you guys also by the company HeraRemy.com. They sent me this unit to review for you guys, and I'm glad they did because it is another winner. If you guys did not see my first Hera Remy review, I will link it up above so you guys can check it out. Make sure you click that link and check it out. It'll also be linked down below so you can check it out after you watch this video. So let's jump into what this unit is. This is their Sherise unit. It is a 100% human hair blend, and it is a lace front wig with its 18 inches. The color that I'm currently wearing is OET 1B30. On the Hera Remy site, there are tons of different colors to choose from, and I'm bringing you guys another super affordable wig. If you are interested in picking up this wig from Hera Remy, it is currently retailing for $20.49. So I'm bringing you guys another $20 sleigh. You're welcome. It does feature your standard cap construction. You have two combs on either side of your part, a comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps on this unit. It is a breathable cap. You do just have the lace down the parting and about a ½ inch of lace around the perimeter of the front of the unit, but that's all you get. It's very comfortable on my head, so I would say it is big head friendly. I always get a ton of questions on how I style my curly units, so I made sure to incorporate that in this video. Make sure you watch this video to the end because at the end of the video I will show you how I styled this unit to make it look like this. So now let's talk about how I feel and what I think about this unit. I am super excited for this unit because I feel like this is one of the most natural curly haired units I've ever tried. And I know, I say that probably almost every curly hair unit, but this one for sure is legitimately the best curly wig I think I've had synthetic wise ever. It's really natural looking. I feel like the curl pattern is spot on. The luster, I think, is what really makes it look so natural. It's not a high luster wig, so you don't have a ton of shine. You just have this brown color, and maybe it's different for darker colors, but this brown color is giving off the most natural looking curly hair vibes I think I have ever seen in a synthetic unit. I'm really loving it. I will let you guys know that the curl pattern is different throughout the unit. So at the top of the unit, I say the curls are a little bit looser. I want to say they're more of a 3B kind of curl texture. And toward the end and the bottom of the unit, I feel like the curls are a little tighter. So you're going more into your 3C/4A. So I think that this is very realistic because that's how my natural hair is. At the top of my head, my curls are loose, and at the back of my head, my curls are tighter. I'm just really loving it. I feel like the parting is really good as well. You guys know with curly units, I usually try to like give like the curly bang effect to kind of hide the parting because I say it doesn't look realistic. That was not the case with this one. I feel like it looks really natural this way. Like I'm not feeling like I look like, oh my gosh, she's wearing a wig. Like it looks really natural, which I'm really excited about. And yeah, I don't think I've ever had a curly unit that I felt I could rock like this. It does come with your natural layers, so I didn't cut any layers into it. But I feel like the layers just add to that as well. If you're looking for that curly diva cut kind of look, this unit is definitely for you. I'm not really receiving any shedding from this unit or tangling, and the texture is so soft. It's like just so soft and full of body. It just is. I am just blown away by this unit, like the first, if not more so, because I feel like they're giving me natural hair vibes. Like they're getting it dead on with this unit, and I'm super excited about that. So now would I recommend this unit? Yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. I feel like it's one of the more natural curly haired units I've ever owned and reviewed on my channel. I feel like the luster is very low, which is really giving it that real natural vibe. And for $20, you guys can, I don't think you guys can beat this unit for $20. So if you're looking to save some money and have a really nice unit, then this is definitely the way to go. I would highly suggest checking them out. I am super impressed with their unit so far, so make sure you open up my description box and click that link. You can go and check out this unit as well as their other units because they have a ton of units to choose from. There's tons of different colors to look at, and I think there's something for everybody on their site, so make sure you click that link below. As always, thank you guys so much for viewing this video. Leave me a comment, let me know if you like this unit or not. Give this video a thumbs up to see more wig reviews / tutorials, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will be giving you guys a tutorial on how I style this hair next, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial.